Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I'm going to give you an update on our last Faculty Council meeting, which is on Osceola campus on June 14 from 2 to 5 p.m. We started the meeting with a hello and how are you to see how everyone's doing. Everyone seems to be doing well, but summer is hectic. We went over the what's going on, and you can see that the Valencia Foundation Share the Love campaign is going on to the end of the month, so please donate if you haven't already. Thank you. There were some wonderful memorials for the Pulse anniversary on each of the campuses. If you don't have the Valencia Safety app, please get that Valencia Safety app. And there are some wonderful employee development and training opportunities. The course schedule link is here. I went ahead and put the different meetings that I've gone to in May. So if you have any questions about any of these, but there's always a lot of meetings going on and some links to check out. But if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. And I put the May agenda here so you can go back and see what happened in May. And remember, we're always trying to link to the strategic plan, so the link is here. Please be familiar with the strategic plan. It is a wonderful document that many people worked on, and we want to link everything with the Faculty Council and the other governance structures to that strategic plan. We went ahead and finalized any feedback for Canvas. The feedback is here. Basically, things are going well, but they do want to hear what's going on. If you have any issues, please report it. Check out Canvas Help. It seems to be doing really well, but definitely give us your feedback. We want to improve as much as we can, but things seem to be going well. And we collected feedback on the withdrawal after deadline. Feedback's here. If you have any last feedback, you're welcome to email it to me. Thank you. Then we spent some time with Bill Maloney. And we talked about different policies and procedures, trespass policy, speech policy, student club policy. You can see the changes here. Most of them are the procedures, but some of the policy and the clean versions are here. Everything was endorsed by Faculty Council, but please check it out. And if you have any questions for me, let me know, and I can pass it on to Bill Maloney. But they were all endorsed. We had Wendy Du, Jeannie Wright, Dory Haggerty, and Paige Jerzak come and give a Canvas update and a FIP-HIP update. So welcome to check that out and look at the presentation about Canvas and support and what's coming up next. Check that out. If you have any questions, let me know. And hopefully you've signed up for the Faculty Incentive Plan and the High Impact Practice Plan. I've signed up for both. I'm excited about learning and doing my High Impact Practice Plan. Here you can see the eligible faculty who submitted and not submitted, all here. And then we went around and talked to the different campuses, senates, and assemblies, see how things are going, and kind of reviewed on what people are talking about. I do want to hear from everyone the pros and areas of improvement this year, future hopes, so please put your feedback here. Ways the Faculty Council can better serve you. We did a survey, but one last ask. I wanted to celebrate each member of the Faculty Council because they've worked so hard all year, so we acknowledge each person there. Got to celebrate a little bit. We had some cake, so it was wonderful. I'll be transitioning in July, so John Niss will be coming in as your Faculty Association President. I'll be your past president for a year, so I'll still be involved. If there's anything I can do to help, please let me know. Our Faculty Council meeting will be in July 12th at the Point Siena campus. We're happily welcoming Point Siena into the Faculty Council from 2 to 5 p.m. We will have a governance retreat. Thank you to all the new faculty that are signed up for the Faculty Council. This is where you'll have your orientation. And there are some opportunities to volunteer, so if you haven't already, the Curriculum Committee, there's 9 spots that are open, 1 for humanities and the other 8 are for alternates. The information's here, and we're also looking for faculty for the textbook committee. The information's here. We had a last minute opportunity for Pivot 180 selection committee. We're looking for 2 faculty. The information's here. Please email me directly if you're interested. Again, thank you so much for everything. In July, again, I'll be transitioning to past president. John Niss will be coming in, and I'll still be involved with everything, so if there's anything I can do, please let me know. Thank you for everything, and in July I'll have a farewell email. Thank you so much. Have a good day.